Yay! Okay. You look like a deer in headlights. Okay, let's look up there. Hi, I'm Russell, obviously, and this is my guest, CELIA, best known, well, maybe not best known, but also known as opheliacelia on YouTube. But she only has one video, and she posted it like a long time ago.
I don't have time, so I'll just be a guest.
Excuses. Okay, so...
Okay, do you have 3 hours of physical activity every day?
Shut up. Okay, so I have a lot to talk about. So I actually have like a lot to talk about today. Let's start with...
The bullet!
No, we're not going to start with that. I actually made a video yesterday, but of course made it on my digital camera, and the sound didn't work. Okay, so,
I'll act out everything you say.
Oh, okay, where are you? Okay. Dang it.
Wait, other...
Go away.
I can't point in the right direction.
It's there. Go away, Dad.
Wait, turn your head the other way. Wait,
we're webcasting. Yes, we're webcasting. Okay, so,
yes, it is 1995.
I'm going to try to remember everything I talked about. Okay, I know one of the things I talked about was, I went to go see a band yesterday called the Post-Traumatic Blues Forum. And it's
Is this a sticker?
Yeah, I'm putting it on my car. I'm putting it on my car. She gave us like 100 of them. I'll get one for you. And they were really nice because he had talked to them online. And so they signed his guitar thing.
Ow.
And they talked to us, and they were really nice. And they're from New Orleans, and they're cool. So you should go add them on MySpace and listen to their music. Yay! We can tag us with hiccups too, and we'll get more weird hiccup fetish people. Yeah, so like all these people with weird hiccup fetishes messaged and commented, and it was really weird. People have really creepy fetishes, man. Okay. Anyway, I know I had. Oh, I'm blonde now.
You can't really tell.
It's pretty.
I think I really have the hiccups.
And
sorry. I'm really sorry that I don't make any videos. I'm Russell, and
why?
I don't know. Nobody understands me. My nails, camera. They're pretty. I like this whole filming myself thing.
I'll leave the dolls. Hold on.
Look at that.
Models trying to make it in Hollywood, and the links to their dresses.
We should watch it today.
We should.
Go away. Megan! Ah!
Me and Celia are making a video. Shut up.
Megan and I have a really cool email correspondence. So it's really cool, and anyone else who wants to start in that email correspondence is totally welcome to, except if I don't know you, because that's kind of weird. Anyways, my email address, Celia Carnes, CARNES 4 @gmail.
Oh, okay. That's a
Way to interrupt me.
Yeah.
You just cut all the heads off and eat just the heads, because the stalks are like. You've never had broccoli?
Not that I can remember. Like,
my parents make me eat it. They were weird Republican pedophiles.
Okay, all these creepy people in cars would stare and look at us, and they all had W stickers on
It was weird. They would
What does that tell you?
They would
we found a bullet. Look,
it killed Kennedy.
Murder take place.
Yep, and we are now in the witness protection program. I am
Cilantro.
This is our last thing ever. Are we supposed to tell them all this stuff?
Yeah. Help me out. I don't know how to do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now contract your tongue. Like you're about to swallow.